How to fix Windows Defender is not working on Windows 11. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also, don't forget to watch our previous tutorials and videos. We have playlists sorted for each app. And let's get started. Windows Defender in Windows 11 is an important antivirus, and it's powerful and very sufficient for people who don't download much stuff from the internet. So we can say that it may be essential for many people that who don't know how to download or install antiviruses or don't want to purchase a very expensive antivirus. It's set by free on Windows 11. So if it's not working, all you gotta do is going to the Windows PowerShell. From here, click on the search button and search for the PowerShell. Here is the PowerShell. Right click on it and click on Run and as administrator. You can just click it from here. Now click on Yes on this window. The PowerShell now opened. We're waiting for it to load successfully. When this is what appears for you when the PowerShell loads successfully, copy this command or write it. I will write it for you in the description box if you want, and it will appear in the screen now. And copy and paste it. It is get a X package Microsoft.sec health UI all users reset / app package. This is a command for resetting and adding Microsoft Defender if it's not working for some users. So let's click on enter or return. Now when it allows adding another command, that means that the command action is finished. So now Windows Defender is supposed to be working again. Let's search for it. It's Windows Defender in Windows 10 and Windows Security or Security on Windows 11. Let's search for Defender, and as you can see, it's here with the security and it's working. So that's it, it's fixed. And just a disclaimer that it may not also work for you if there is another problem. This is just go around in order to fix Windows Defender not working. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.